This video is basically going to be a roundup from my 18th birthday, which was 4 days ago. I'm going to be showing you some clips from my birthday. The vlogging's going to actually start the day before because I had a little order and I kind of set it up and I talked about it a little bit, so that's going to be in there. I wasn't 100% well on my birthday. I had a really bad throat and in general a bad cold. I'm perfectly fine now though. The reason I'm making this video, because I thought the footage wasn't as good on my birthday, me explaining each gift. I'm going to let the vlog play out, but intervene me talking about each gift. For my birthday, we didn't really do too much. We just invited a lot of family round. I had a bit of like a buffet and just pretty much just watched football, just chilled out. But I still thoroughly enjoyed it. Alexa, what day is it tomorrow?
Tomorrow will be Saturday the 1st of February 2020.
All this week I've been absolutely terrible. My throat has been killing me so much. It's kind of towards the back end of it now, so I am getting better. You could probably still tell with how I'm talking and like my accent. But that's not going to stop me celebrating my 18th birthday. I'm going to be documenting today the 31st and then obviously tomorrow the 1st. I wonder what I'm going to get for my birthday. I'm not expecting much because I was spoilt at Christmas like always. I just want to chill out with my family and just have a good time. I do actually have an order coming today though from Amazon. It is a security camera which I've been wanting for a long time, and it is completely Bluetooth, Wi-Fi compatible, and it'll be able to connect to my phone, so when I'm at work I can check pretty much the entire street, which is quite OP. But yeah, like I said, I'm just going to be waiting for that today. Last night I stayed up, well early hours this morning I stayed up to watch the Jake Paul and Gib fight. What a waste of sleep that was, especially because I'm ill. I thought I needed to give you all a little update on my custom AirPods from the last video. These are still working, as you can see with the green light in the middle there. They have no damage on them as of yet, so I'm over the moon with them that they still work. If you haven't seen that video yet, I'll leave a link in the top of this description. I recommend you definitely check it out. It's one of my favourite videos I've ever made. Amazon parcel for the security camera came. Currently setting it up right now. It's all Wi-Fi connected and Bluetooth and stuff, so I've got my phone here which is doing a little download now, so hopefully it shouldn't take too long. Looks complicated, but it should be alright. Talking about gifts though, this is one of them right here. This is off actually my girlfriend. It's a black Timberland t-shirt, obviously, with like the white logo across the chest. She also got me some camouflage Ralph Lauren shorts. I got some joggers Ralph Lauren camo like a few weeks before. Now I've got the shorts to match, so these are going to be amazing for my holidays. Up there with one of my favourite gifts on the day was this football book. It's basically a number of different headlines based around my team I support, Liverpool. And it's also got like a custom name down the bottom, which is actually mine. It says presented to Shay Stanley. Obviously I did say my team's Liverpool, and it's got pretty much all the famous headlines including last year's UEFA Champions League win. Just look at that. What a souvenir to have. And there's also like a few empty spaces on the back, so hopefully, fingers crossed, if we keep the lead on the Premier League and stay in the Champions League and stay in the FA Cup, I think there could be a few more headlines to add, for sure. It is officially the 1st of February and my voice is completely gone. I've got a lot of presents from family and friends, people I work with. And my girlfriend as well got me this bit here. You know I absolutely love scratch cards on this channel. And there's also a lot of presents with like Gucci wrapping paper, so that might be a good sign. I got some cards as well here. This one is from my mum and dad. This is one of the best cards I've ever seen. It's got obviously pictures on the side and stuff. The main present though, which was from my mum and dad, was incredible. My reaction to opening this was insane. I just wish I wasn't poorly so I could show you guys the reaction. I was talking about it and stuff like that, but my voice was so bad, you couldn't even understand the words that were coming out of my mouth. But the gift from my mum and dad, it is a Gucci watch. I have not had a watch in like 2 or 3 years since I left school. At school, you may or may not know, I've mentioned I had like an Apple Watch, and I used to be able to text and stuff on it. But ever since I started working, I stopped wearing that purely because I didn't want it to get damaged. If I open this up right here, hopefully the focus looks good. But there is the watch. It's slipped down a bit, but if I take it out, it is a black leather strap with the Gucci snake all around it. On camera this looks as crazy as it does in real life. Me and my mum actually went to town one day and I did see this in the shop window. I did point it out to her. I went, oh, look at that watch over there, I wish we could afford that, I wish I could have that. And the fact, maybe a couple months later, she's picked it up and she surprised me with it for my birthday. I can't forget my dad as well, because I'm sure he chipped in. I'm just so grateful to have amazing parents like the two I've got. I'm going to cherish this for hopefully the rest of my life. Hopefully I can keep it in pristine condition. I feel like it's only right that I unstrap this off this pillar and put it on my wrist. That's what watches are meant for. But before that, I'm going to do a little close-up so you can see it a little bit better. Like I said, you can obviously see the Gucci snake coming from the bottom of the strap and then the face in the actual face of the watch. I love how it does that. The reason I love this watch so much is because it's black, and black is just so subtle, hence I wear a black t-shirt. I've got a lot of black aesthetics in my room, like the blanket right there, my headboard. I just love black. And the reason for the design, the snake, is because I actually have the Gucci snake shoes, so when I'm wearing them and wearing this, it just matches. But yeah, like I said, I think it's only right I put this on my wrist and show you what it's like. Yet again, Mum, I know you're watching this. Thank you so much. This is the best birthday present I have ever received. Probably not even just birthday present, just like in general the best gift I have ever received. The thing about watches is that you've got to find the one that is so comfy for you. Yeah, you can look for different designs and stuff, but if a watch doesn't fit right, there's just absolutely no point of getting one. It looks so well on my wrist, it doesn't look out of place. I've usually been wearing it with like another bracelet here, which I'm going to show you now. That's got a little bit of a birthday story around it as well. It's a men's nomination bracelet. This bracelet, you can get different charms for it out of your choice. So on this one I've got a football, I've got a dollar bill, and I've also got a European Cup trophy and a gold camera. The reason I'm mentioning this is because I do wear it with my watch, and my girlfriend and her parents actually treat me to a few more charms for it. I feel like every time I put a charm on, it'll always have a meaning behind it. So let's just say I've got the European Cup trophy, which is the Champions League. I've got a story behind it because Liverpool have won it 6 times. And Liverpool's obviously my favourite team. In my lifetime, Liverpool have won it twice, and both times I can remember the game inside and out. I've got a gold camera, which my girlfriend got me recently, like I mentioned. I love technology, I love cameras, and obviously cameras kind of resemble YouTube and my passion for doing it. So yeah, that's kind of how it looks on my wrist together. We still have the birthday balloons and birthday cards downstairs on the show, and it's been 4 days since my birthday. So I think it's about time we push them to one side. I have enjoyed my birthday, it's been absolutely amazing. I'm sorry for the lack of uploads. Like I said, I haven't been well recently, but I'm fighting fit now. You can probably still tell like a little tremble in my throat when talking. But by the next video, it's going to be perfectly fine. The next video is something very special. I've got an idea and I'm just trying to work on it a little bit, and I'm going to start recording and editing that. It's going to be amazing. But yeah, that's going to be the end of the video. Please smash that thumbs up and also subscribe. We have just hit 2,400 subscribers while making this video, which is crazy. The sub growth recently has been amazing. Hopefully that can continue. But yeah, I hope you all stay safe. I'll see you next time. Peace.